Log in Careem app, sign into Careem app. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to learn how we can sign into the Careem app, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. To sign in to Careem app, open the Careem application on your device. Now, you can sign in using your phone number if you're registered with your phone number. So tap on continue, enter your phone number, tap on continue, and it will successfully log you in after you verify. But if you're not comfortable with that, you can also tap on continue with Google if you had linked your account with a Google account. So go ahead and then select the Google account that you wish to log in with. And once you've done that, you will be able to go ahead and then see you've been successfully signed in on the Careem app. This way you'll be able to sign in to the Careem app. I hope the video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.